हरिओम तत्सत. Yogast Bhav. Reiki, the healing energy. Normally it is said, and it's a general belief among the people, many people, that Reiki healing energy is a faith energy. Before I say something about Reiki, I would like to describe this energy, because energy is all that is. We are familiar with some sources of energy like coal, gas, wind, electricity, caloric values in food and nutrition. But the definition of the energy is much broader than that. Great scientists, Einstein, and many other quantum physicists, they say that in the universe, everything exists in form of atoms or energy. Whatever exists in the universe at atomic level is energy, vibrating and oscillating at different rates. Some of the energy forms we know, sound, light, X-rays, etc. These are all forms of energy spectrum. The only difference is that they are vibrating or oscillating at different rates of vibration. Now here I would mention one thing, that we as human beings, we are also made up of or comprised of energy. For example, the specific value of the electrical output of heart is measured by ECG. Likewise, we can measure the waves of the brain by EEG, Similarly, the whole biological output is measured by electromyograph, and it is found that the normal range or normal rate of vibration of whole body is something around 250 or 60 cycle per second. Now, what do we understand by this? The science has confirmed that the energy in different forms has something to do with the universe and with the human body. Research were done on the human beings, and it was found that the normal people who did not follow any particular spiritual path or would do some kind of meditation or healing, their biological output was found, as I said, something around 250 or 60 cycle per second. But the same test, when they were done on some people who were using some kind of energy healing like Reiki, or using some psychic ability, or following some kind of meditation and all, so their rate of vibration traditionally on the spots, as we know them in Kundalini, in yoga as chakras, they were amazing. The frequency or the vibratory rate was found somewhere between 400 to 800 cycle per second. And even in some great meditators or the healers or the psychics, it was more than 900 cycle per second. How? Now the science has confirmed it, that an unseen force or energy connects every living being, all human beings and other creatures, animals also. What is that energy? In different tradition, we give it a different name, like we call it prana. In China it is called chi, in Japan it is called ki, in Russian and other Western world it is called bioplasma. So what is this energy and how? How, whereas the normal rate of vibration is 250 or 60 cycle per second, how the rate of vibration in such people, those who are healers or meditators or following some kind of spiritual path, the rate was as high as 800 cycle per second, 900 cycle per second or something. What does this research, this scientific research show? We must understand it. More the rate of the vibration of any organism, more it will be pure, healthy, and even there may be some such good quality that will keep you, we have emotional energy, we have psychic energy, we have biological energy, we have electromagnetic energy. So the different forms of the energy were found differently when they were doing something different. And that is the beauty of Reiki. It is not a faith only. Now in this corona culture, I would like to say you something. This corona is also an organism, a very minute virus. It had its energy. If we anyhow happen to increase and enhance the rate of our biochemical makeup, biochemical energy, then it will definitely strengthen and enhance our immunity and our strength to fight such organisms and all. But this is one thing. Reiki is a wisdomful, scientific and spiritual energy. The more I will be telling you in detail in the upcoming workshop. You will find the details on yogastvidhyarishikesh.com and on our YouTube channel Yogas Foundation. And in this channel you may go to the column about, where you will find the details of the Yogas Foundation and other activities as well. Thank you friends. Hari Om Tat Sat. Yogastu.